Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, another Technique Tuesday. We're doing another kind of arm styling in a partnership, although this one's more of a shine. It's salsa chase turn, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're not going to teach the pattern step by step, but we'll demonstrate for you what it looks like. If you wanted to learn what it looks like step by step, or actually learn the step itself, you could for sure go on our website and learn it there, okay? Cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go over the arm styling. I'm gonna go over mine first, and then Chris can kind of jump in and tell you what he likes to do for that. Okay, so there's definitely endless options since we have both arms free while we're turning. One way that I like to do is on the back break, I'm just using my elbows. As I start to turn, I'm gonna lift both up, bring it around my head, down my body, and then you can continue that motion back into dance position. So we just did one set of chase turns. If you did multiple, you could definitely change it up, but we're just gonna show you this for now. So I'm gonna face away from you now so you can join me. So elbows, we're just rocking together. And then as we go forward, we lift both arms up, bring them around the head, down the body, and then continue out and around back into dance position to close it up. So without the feet, I'm just gonna show you kind of the trajectory with my arms. We've done multiple arm videos where we just go over the elbow action, so I won't spend too much time there, okay? So we're going right, left, together. Now we're gonna bring both arms down and up, around the head, down the body, and out, okay? So without even the back break, we're just going right, left, right, down and up, break around the head, down the body, out into dance position. So try that with me. Right, left, right, down and up, around the head, down the body, and out into dance position, okay? So now that we've practiced those arms, now we're gonna try it in the steps if you'd like. We go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And you can see I kind of took my time getting back to him. It's okay if you don't connect immediately right after that. We can always do an extra basic or so, or if we were doing multiple chase turns, you could also continue that motion. One more time, and then we're gonna grab Chris. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, we'll grab Chris now.
So I'm in the pattern. I go and let go of her and lower my arm to start to turn, right? This is important because I don't want to leave it here, right? So in terms of my arms, I'm very casual as I dance this pattern. Like I don't have a specific thing as clear and as pretty as what Lindsay's doing here when she did hers. So I just leave them tucked in. So as I finish my turn, I'm just picking my elbows up and trying to stay active as I dance, what she explained when she did the first half of her arm styling, instead of me maybe just dropping and leaving me by my side. And I probably wouldn't do something more dramatic than that, right? So you'll just see that I keep them active and up the entire time. I drop this one here, but now I just keep them up because then for me, right away, we go back into the dance position where she almost has like a little bit more time because she's waiting for me after I do my turn.
Yes, okay, so hopefully you like this video. There's other options, of course. This is just one way that you can do it, so I hope you have fun with it. Be sure to check out our website, ballroomfeed.com, if you want to learn this step by step and many other videos as well. And like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.